Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited about this video. I say that in literally every video that I film, but I am super excited. I'm doing another Apple unboxing today. Before we even start, I want to apologize for any background noise that you may hear. There is construction going on outside of my building and I needed to get this video filmed so I could actually use my phone. So I apologize, but we're just gonna push through. Today I am unboxing the iPhone XS Max. That's gonna be a tongue twister to say. I did a big Apple unboxing a few months ago and that video did really good. I unboxed a MacBook Pro, an Apple Watch, and AirPods. So if you guys want to check out that video, if you haven't already, I will have it linked down below. I'll also have it linked up in the cards if you guys want to go check that out. This was super spontaneous and that's pretty much how all my purchases are. They're very spontaneous. Little backstory. So I have the 8 Plus right now, and if you guys can see, I did break the screen and I have like glass coming out. It's chipping on the corner here and it's just been spreading all the way up. I'm not someone who can go with a broken screen. I can't. It drives me nuts. So I was looking at replacing it. In the end, it ended up only being like $100 more to just get a brand new phone than it is to just fix the screen. So I was like, I might as well spend the extra $100 and just get a new phone because why not? I wasn't planning on filming this video because normally when I get a new phone and I go through my phone company, they normally open it up for me and like do all of that stuff and get it figured out, but they didn't today. So I have it here fully packaged and everything. So this is the iPhone XS Max. I got the 64 gigabyte. Did get it in the gold, of course. I'm so excited. Look how pretty. Oh, okay, so we're gonna get right into it. So it has a little peel thing here. Oh my goodness. I'm basically seeing this for the first time because this was spontaneous. Like I literally decided that I was getting it last night. Whereas when I got like my MacBook and everything, I had already went in store and like seen them in person and decided on them. So this is very exciting for me too. Like I don't even really know what it looks like in person. I don't think I've ever seen it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Here it is. Oh my god. Look at this color. So pretty. I would say this definitely is more like a bronzy gold. I'm gonna actually compare it to my 8 Plus. I love they call it gold. I wouldn't say it's gold. It's like a blush kind of pink color, but I love the color of this phone. It's like the perfect color. So that's kind of the comparison of the colors. I still like this one more just because I like more blush pink. This one's so cool. It almost has like a duochrome kind of feel to it, and it definitely is more mirrored. Like I can fully see myself, and also the side is so beautiful. It's stainless steel and it's so pretty. Oh my god. Okay, we're turning it on. I'm definitely used to having the home button, so this is gonna be super different. Definitely a learning curve. So we're gonna swipe up. Is that what it said? Let me see. What are we doing here? Swipe up. Oh, there we go. English, Canada. Oh, let's do that. Okay, so it says that you can set up, if you have an iPhone or iPad running iOS 11 or later, bring it nearby. Oh, look at that. Look at it. It's just pairing right to my phone. That's so cool. I love. Oh my god, this screen is... Oh, I can't say that. This screen is huge. This is crazy. I love how it's just all screen. I think it just looks so much more like pleasant to the eye, I guess. It looks so sleek, so pretty. Okay, so it's doing that. While it's doing that, let me show you the case I got. So this is from Casemate. They definitely make some good cases. And this is the sheer crystal. So this one's like clear and it has some little silver glitter in it, which I really like. So I'm gonna back up my phone now. I have to connect it to iTunes and stuff. So I'll be right back. Okay, so my phone is basically all set up. I'm gonna take this plastic off and put my phone case on. So... I don't have a screen protector yet, which scares me, but will survive. There it is. Okay, let's put this case on. I think it looks really nice. So yeah, I'm so excited. So excited. So pretty. I want to check out this camera because that is what I'm the most excited about. That's crazy. The difference is huge. Both of the cameras, like even like the rear view one, like holding them up to each other. Like this one's so much better. That's crazy. I know you guys aren't going to be able to see, and I'm definitely not putting my face up on the screen because not happening. Oh my god, you guys, too. Face ID, crazy fast. Like, oh my god. Like literally I just hold my phone, swipe up, and it's already in. It feels like you have no password on your phone. Like I actually had to go and check. So it's like even more ridiculously fast than Touch ID. I'm so excited. I'm obsessed. I love. It's definitely going to take some getting used to not having the home button. The only thing that I think I might not like is that you have to swipe down from up here to get to the like control center. With my hand being so like small, it's definitely going to be a little bit harder to like reach up there using only one hand. Like that might be something I have to use two for. Whereas if it was on the bottom, it was like a lot easier because I just go like that. So that's something that is probably the only thing that I might find a little difficult. Other than that, I feel like everything is pretty fast, pretty simple. Yeah, I'm so excited to play more around with this and like, see what other new stuff they got with this one, but I'm so excited. I love it. If you guys enjoy my Apple unboxings, I do have another video you can go watch. Like I said, it will be linked here in the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you are new here, please subscribe to my channel. I post a lot of hauls, more beauty related, a lot of makeup videos. So yeah, definitely subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next video.